what girls batch or what? Something like that. सब लड़की लोग ही दिख रहे हैं मुझे. Only one Atharva I can see is not. Okay, before I start, there's one mention I'll have to do. एक चीज तो बताना पड़ेगा and that is very important. नहीं तो बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. 1 minute, हाँ. Okay, two boys, I guess. Okay, what I wanted to mention is okay, suppose I get disconnected. Suppose I get disconnected. Network मेरा चले जाता है तो you can see the what I can see on the screen is only this one node. There is nothing else I can see. So if I get disconnected, don't message me. Please call me on 9823213330. Okay, please call and tell me that I've got disconnected. Otherwise, I may never know that I've got disconnected. So please note down that number. Okay. बाद में 2 दिन के फेंक देना नंबर. एक 2 दिन के लिए रख लो नंबर किधर तो. And please call me if I get disconnected. Okay. So to a large extent, we'll be assuming, though many of you would have already done mathematics in 11th and 12th, but there are two people at least who replied and said that they have not taken maths in the 11th and 12th. So we will go more strictly with people who have not done, not the people who have already done. Okay, so it's more with them. And we'll be starting with this chapter, derivatives. Okay, or differentiation. So for those who have done this is easy, itna hard nahi hai. For those who have never done it, it is still easy. Okay, shortcuts and all I'll give you later on. Right now, basic जो है कर लेते हैं. So now whatever this derivative means, okay, what this derivative means is like we write it, I won't go into details, but dy by dx, when we write something as a derivative, dy by dx, we mean, okay, it's the change in values of y. Change in values of y with respect to change in values of x. Change in values of x. That is, how fast is y changing because the value of x is changing. Okay, are you understanding what I'm saying? Someone came. This is going to be. Okay, so am I recording or no? I'm recording, I guess so. Yeah. Right. So what does dy by dx actually represent? It represents how fast y changes because of the values of x which are changing. For example, suppose you consider the cost of t, जो तुम्हारे इकोनॉमिक्स में हो जाता है, cost of t है. Okay, if t का cost अगर change हो जाता है, तो how much the demand changes for it? What is the change in demand? Like for example, if the tea आज मिल रहा है 10 रुपए को, ओके, ये 10 रुपए का चाय अगर सपोज कल से 15 रुपए का हो गया, suppose tomorrow immediately it becomes 15 rupees. If it becomes 10.25 paise, not major things, but if it becomes 15 rupees, how much will the demand change? So you know this much, that demand will initially go down, then it will increase and so on. Okay, so I'm not going into that part of economics. So ये जो effect होता है, so how much the demand is affected, demand changes because of the change in price, because of the change in price. What is this called? Someone can tell me? The change in demand upon change in price in economics, what is it called? Is it called elasticity of demand?
Price elasticity.
Yeah, correct. Na? It's called the elasticity of demand. So derivatives, its straight away application would be, as far as commerce is concerned, it will be checking up with elasticity. We have this in physics quite often, dx by dt, where x represents displacement. So displacement with respect to time, that represents velocity, and so on. Okay, so of course I don't want to go into all those things. Now ये इसका practical use हो जाता है. Okay, elasticity of demand and so on. Now suppose we consider something called as a function. So you already would have done much things with function. Sir ने सिखा दिया रहेगा, but I'll just give you in simple words. Function is basically a rule. F of x is basically a rule that connects two variables x and y. Okay, it's basically a relation which has certain conditions, and there's a relation between these two variables x and y. So instead of many times like writing y is equal to x plus 2, we now start writing it as f of x is equal to x plus 2, and we could say y is equal to f of x, which is x plus 2. So sometimes we don't write this y, we write only f of x, which is x plus 2. ये जो कुछ rule रहेगा, we write it. So that's called as a function. Now, as far as derivatives goes, we will go directly with the formulas. One of the basic formulas would be d by dx of a constant is 0. Okay, and there are many people, they sometimes get confused, why should the derivative of a constant be 0? Because see the definition of derivatives. Uska definition kya hai? How much is the change in a k? Change in constant. What is the change in constant because of the change in x? तो constant रहेगा तो change होगा, constant रहेगा तो will it change? Will a constant change? It won't change.
No.
Constant doesn't change. So the change we are seeing is 0. So derivative of a constant d by dx of k, yeah, you may have d by dx of c is equal to 0. So the change d by dx of c, d by dx of k is equal to 0. Okay? Oh God, how many people are there? I have no idea also. How when to wait? I would have waited 5-10 minutes. Correct? Na? Okay. So d by dx of k is 0, d by dx of c, basically it's a constant only. So it's 0. That's the first formula. Okay. Then this is going in recording. Huh? Yes, sir is going to see who is coming late, who is coming early, who has come before time. Now, d by dx of x, okay, is 1. That is how much is the change in x because of a change in x. How much does x change because of the change in x? It changes perfectly, which we would have called as perfect elasticity. So d by dx of x is 1. Okay. So that does not mean this, don't think of it like this, dx by dx 1 है यानी कि dx dx cancel होके 1 आ गया, वैसा नहीं है. Is a change in the values of x because of the change in value of x, so it will be 100% change. So d by dx of x is 1. Okay, so that's the second formula. Third one is d by dx. Certain formulas you'll have to learn quickly. Okay, d by dx of x square is 2x. स्पेसिफिकली जिनका मैथ्स नहीं था 11th-12th में, जरा जल्दी लर्न कर लेना. तुमको अभी अभी के 15-20 मिनट में ये लर्न करना पड़ेगा. ओके, d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. Then fourth one is d by dx of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. तो ये मैं तुमको कंफर्ट के लिए दिया, दिस टू वैल्यूज d by dx of x is 1, d by dx of x square is 2x, but you can derive all that formulas from this one. d by dx of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Okay, so example ले लेंगे हम लोग इधर, like for example d by dx, Abhishek. Okay, d by dx of, for example, x raised to 5 ढूंढना है. So my n is 5 over here. N is 5. So this will be 5x raised to 5 minus 1, which is 5x raised to 4. Oh God. Okay. Okay, so this is d by dx of x raised to 5 will be 5x raised to 4. Second, let's take one more example, d by dx of x raised to 9. So it will be, n is 9, you have to use this formula. Okay, ये formula use करना है. So n is 9, you have to compare with this formula. So here it's x raised to n, here it is x raised to 9. Okay, so n is 9 over here. So it's 9x raised to 9 minus 1, which is 9x raised to 8. Okay, third one, d by dx of x raised to 3 by 2. So that will be equal to, same formula, use it, this same formula, and it will be 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 by 2 x raised to half, and x raised to half can be written as root x. Okay, so I'm taking few more examples. Fourth example I'll take here only. d by dx of x raised to minus 7. So that will be equal to, ये same formula, I'm working on only one formula till now. Okay, there's no change, this is the formula I'm using. So d by dx of x raised to minus 7. So when I use this formula, it becomes minus 7 x raised to minus 7 minus 1, which is minus 7 into x raised to minus 8. Okay. Fifth one, d by dx of x raised to minus 3 by 11. Any numbers I'm taking just to give you a practice कि ये क्या हो रहा है. So this is minus 3 by 11 x raised to minus 3 by 11 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 by 11, and this one if you solve you'll get minus 3 minus 11, which is minus 14, x raised to minus 14 by 11. Okay, so that's how this formula is used, d by dx of x raised to n. अभी ये फॉर्मूला को हम लोग थोड़ा सा मैग्नीफाई कर सकते हैं. ये फॉर्मूला यू कैन लर्न इट लाइक दिस, बट यू कैन लर्न इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. यही फॉर्मूला यू कैन लर्न इट लाइक दिस, d by dx of f of x raised to n is n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into d by dx of f of x. ओके, तो ये क्या है बाद में बताता हूँ, इसके पीछे हम लोग अभी नहीं जाएंगे, सिर्फ नोट डाउन कर लेना, इसको हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. राइट डाउन, राइट नाउ जस्ट नोट इट डाउन, नथिंग वी आर डूइंग विद इट राइट नाउ. ओके, नाउ That's the third formula you had. Now next formula, fourth one, d by dx of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Okay, ये थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी लर्न कर लेना. Then fifth one, d by dx of 1 upon x raised to n is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Okay, Ranveer Singh has left the meeting. I don't know who, 42 others. Okay. Someone is going, someone is coming. Disconnect हो रहे हैं. ठीक है. So d by dx of 1 upon x raised to n is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Now this is not a new formula. This is not a new one. It's the same thing कि तुम ये d by dx of 1 upon x raised to n, you can write it as x raised to minus n. And then if you use the formula I gave you either before, it will be minus n into x raised to minus n minus 1, which is minus n into x raised to minus of n plus 1. And if you rewrite this, it becomes minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. So it's the same formula. It's good you learn this, but ये नहीं learn किया तो we can still solve the problem. Okay? तो इसके problem भी थोड़े solve कर लेते हैं. Let's take few examples from this one. D by dx of 1 upon x raised to 3. So you can write it directly using this formula as minus 3 upon x raised to 3 plus 1, which is minus 3 upon x raised to 4. Am I going too fast? Anyone? Am I going too fast? No. No. Atharvan, no. Okay. ठीक है. If I'm going, answer. Okay, no, because I won't see yes in this case. Okay, so everyone is saying no, so I'll say yes. Correct. Students propose, teachers oppose. Correct. So d by dx of 1 upon x raised to 3 is minus 3 upon x raised to 3 plus 1, which is minus 3 upon x raised to 4. Now, there is another way you could have solved the same thing, and that is write this d by dx of 1 upon x raised to 3 as d by dx of x raised to minus 3. And then use the formula I gave you previously, n into x raised to n minus 1. So it's minus 3 into x raised to minus 3 minus 1. That becomes minus 3 x raised to minus 4. And to compensate with the answer we already had, this is minus 3, and x raised to minus 4 will go in the denominator. It will become x raised to 4. Okay, so you can solve these problems like this also, but knowing this formula is always advantageous. जल्दी जल्दी फायदा भी हो जाता है. Okay, and there's one more person in this case. I left out that guy, and that's name is d by dx of root x, which is 1 by 2 root x. तो इसको भूलो. Okay, d by dx of root x, don't forget it is 1 by 2 root x. ठीक है, ये एक रह गया था मेरा फॉर्मूला. I'll take two more examples of this 1 by x raised to n. So let's take d by dx of 1 upon x raised to minus 5 by, not minus 5, plus 5 by 7. So we can use that formula, and the formula we have is d by dx of 1 upon x raised to n is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. So many. Okay, so ये फॉर्मूला अगर मैं डायरेक्ट यूज करता हूं तो आई गेट minus 5 by 7 divided by x raised to 5 by 7 plus 1, which will be minus 5 by 7 divided by x raised to, this becomes 12 by 7, which you can write finally as minus 5 upon 12, 7 into, not 12, you can write this as minus 5 upon 7 into x raised to 12 by 7. ये इसका आंसर आ जाता है. ठीक है, that's how you get this answer. Now with this one done, now some other formulas. So ये हमारे fourth के 5 formulas हो गए थे. We have few more to deal with, and that is d by dx of a raised to f of x. Now I am going into this formula directly. जो लोग ने डेरिवेटिव्स लास्ट ईयर किया रहेगा 11th 12th में या इवन बिफोर दिस okay 12th standard में, so they will tell you no one writes this formulas directly, but I am taking it directly. I don't want to bother you with something called as chain rule and all. So when you learn it only, it's in chain rule. Okay, so d by dx of a raised to f of x is a raised to f of x into log a into d by dx of f of x. Okay, whatever it means, तुमको क्या करना है, लर्न ही तो करना है. तो जो पहले टाइम लर्न कर रहे हैं उनको, whether I give the first formula or this formula, it's the same thing. You may not find this directly in your book, but this is used. Okay, so d by dx of a raised to f of x into log a into d by dx of f of x. Just pay attention towards that part. Next is d by dx of e raised to f of x. Or I'll rather write these two formulas in one go for e raised to x because वो useful है. So d by dx of e raised to x is a very good fellow, is e raised to x. Okay. Now see, e is a irrational number. Okay, तुम बोलोगे ये e क्या है? It's e in science. We take it as an irrational number. The value of e lies between 2 and 3. Its approximate value is 2.71828. Okay, the value of e, we take it as 2.71828. Just like you have pi, which is an irrational number whose value is 3.14127 and so on. So similarly, there is an irrational number e whose value is 2.71828. So when you take d by dx of e raised to x, it becomes e raised to x only. Okay, nothing changes with it. It remains as it is. And with that, you get also that if it's d by dx of e raised to f of x, then it is e raised to f of x into d by dx of f of x. ठीक है? Now, next is which other formula will require e raised to f of x? I guess that's the only one, f of x raised to an a. Okay, one more is there. D by dx of log of x to the base a is 1 upon x log a. ओके ये थोड़ा सा तुमको अभी तुमने जो लॉगरिथम्स किया रहेगा उसके ऊपर तुमको डिपेंड करना पड़ेगा. When we say log a over here, the base is e. In calculus, whenever log gets mentioned, okay, जब भी log x ऐसे कुछ भी आ जाता है, as long as you're doing limits, derivatives and integration, the base by default is considered e unless it is mentioned. Okay, so either this, for example, here it was mentioned that it is not e, the base is something else, a, but when I write over here, I need not write log a to the base e. I'll write it as 1 upon x log a. And this formula जब थोड़ा सा extend हो जाएगा, d by dx of log f of x to the base a, it will be 1 upon f of x log a to the base e into d by dx of f of x. Okay, I'll explain this point also later on. Right now just remember this. But ये formula मुझे और एक form में चाहिए, and that is when it is d by dx, same formula, d by dx of log x, जब भी कोई base दिया नहीं है, there is no base mentioned over there. Like over here the base is mentioned a, over here there is no base mentioned, means it is e. Okay, but it's not mentioned. So in that case the derivative is 1 by x. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay, so these are the formulas that you have to learn. Now that's where it is your skill कि तुम कितना जल्दी ये formulas learn कर सकते हो. Okay, ये formulas learn किया, everything else is simple. Everything is simple in derivatives. There's nothing hard. You will get whatever 4-5 marks का जो questions आते हैं derivatives integration, you will be able to solve almost everything. But that formula learning is what you have to do. Just 8-9 formulas are there. If you consider science students, then they have lots of more formulas. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. Now, इसके साथ एक कुछ theorems आते हैं. Theorems means some rules to solve the derivatives. Okay, and ये rules क्या है? तो simple है, and that is d by dx of u plus or minus v. That means there are two functions, f of x, say u and v. There are two functions. In that case, if you want to find the derivative of them, then you can find them separately. Okay, let me just switch off this. Not switch off, I cannot switch off also. I'll have to mute it. How to mute this? Mute क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Okay. d by dx of u plus or minus v is equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. Okay, d by dx of u plus or minus v is du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. Okay, that means if it's addition, add. If it's subtraction, subtract. That's all. Okay, then d by dx of some number is there k into u. Okay, that is u is a function like some function x say, or it is something x square log x kuch bhi hai. So if a number is there, then that number comes outside the derivative sign, so it's k into du by dx. Okay, Siddesh Patil. ठीक है. Third one, okay, and that is product rule, d by dx of uv. Oh god, people are still coming in. d by dx of uv. Okay, मेरे हाथ से एक गलती हो गया है. I pressed one window which I shouldn't have pressed. Okay, I hope it doesn't create a problem. I might get disconnected. Okay, I might get disconnected. If I do, I'll connect back. Don't worry. Hope so I don't get. Okay. d by dx of uv. Am I still there in the meeting? Yes. d by dx of uv. So the product rule is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay. Now it's very easy to learn this. It says it's the first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So the product rule तुमको learn करना है. So it says the first function into derivative of second and the second function into derivative of first. That is how you learn it very fast. Then fourth one is d by dx of u by v. And this one is a little hard initially to learn. And it is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. Okay, so remember this is v and this is perfectly u. This is u and this is v. Okay, so d by dx of u upon v is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. That is the last theorem. These are the four theorems. They are basically addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So if you want to add you want to find the derivatives in addition, add. Subtraction, subtract. Multiplication, use the first function into derivative of second, second function into derivative of first. And division, u upon v, you take the first function into derivative of second minus, second function into derivative of first minus the first function into derivative of second upon v square. Okay, so that's how you solve it. Now, so let's start solving few problems. We'll take some simple examples. Let's take d by dx of x square plus 5x plus 2. We want to find this derivative. तो ये पूरा एडिशन है. So एडिशन का जो रूल है is add. So we will write this as d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 5x plus d by dx of 2. Okay. Now with the list of formulas that I gave you starting में, d by dx of x square is 2x. So you can see in that list of formulas. Now those who have come late, you'll have to take that formulas from somebody else if they can send you on WhatsApp or whatever it is. And if you already know, then there is no issue. So d by dx of x square is 2x. Okay, plus. Now this is a number over here, 5 and a function. So this 5 comes outside the derivative sign. ये जो third theorem हमने देखा, k into u. Okay, not third, the second theorem जो इधर देखा ये, this one, k into du by dx. So I'm using that constant comes outside. Okay, so you'll have 5 into d by dx of x plus derivative of constant जो होता है वो 0 होता है. ओके, सो ये हम लोग ने फॉर्मूला में देख लिया था. एंड सो दिस इज 2x प्लस 5 into d by dx of x from the formula is 1. So it becomes 2x plus 5 straight. Okay, second one, d by dx of 5x raised to 3 by 7 plus 2 log x minus 7 raised to x over here. Okay, so just combination of anything. So again it's addition subtraction, so it will be d by dx d by dx of 5x 5x raised to 3 by 7 plus d by dx of 2 log x minus d by dx of 7 raised to x. Okay, so this will be equal to 5 will come outside, 5 into d by dx of x raised to 3 by 7 minus is it minus plus 2 into d by dx of log x minus d by dx of 7 raised to x. So you use the formula for d by dx of a raised to x, which is a raised to x log a. Okay, so this will be 7 raised to x log 7. So this will be equal to 5. Now this is the x raised to n, जिसका हम लोग ने 4-5 problems practice किया. That same guy is there. So it will be 5, and the formula for that is d by dx of x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. So this is 3 by 7 x raised to 3 by 7 minus 1 plus 2 d by dx of log x, as I told you before, is 1 by x minus 7 raised to x log 7. So this finally becomes 15 by 7 x raised to 3 minus 7 is minus 4 by 7 plus 2 by x minus 7 raised to x log 7. That is the answer. Okay, this is how you find the answers. 2 by x. Simple terms, addition and subtraction. So I won't do a lot of problems. Normally when I'm teaching 11, 12, specifically commerce side, then I'll take this addition subtraction problems for 2 days. Okay, ये 2 दिन यही चलते रहते हैं. And then we'll go into multiplication, but we don't have that time. So we'll move directly into multiplication. Third one, d by dx of 5 raised to x into log x. Okay, so this is multiplication. So this is like one of them is u and the other is v. You can call anyone u, anyone v. Okay, so it's the first function into derivative of the second plus the second function into the derivative of the first. Who is coming so late? Mahi. Okay. So this becomes equal to 5 raised to x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x plus log x, and d by dx of 5 raised to x is a raised to x, that same formula we had right now, and that is 5 raised to x log 5. Okay, so I'll write that reason again. D by dx of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. So our job is done. हमारा आंसर आ गया है. अभी इसमें से 5 raised to x you can take common. 5 raised to x common ले लिया. आंसर आ गया 1 by x plus log x into log 5. ठीक है? That's the third one. Is everyone following? Or at least those who were there from the beginning. Is everyone following this? समझ रहा है सबको? Yes. Yes. Okay. ठीक. Good. Fine. Okay. Fourth one. Let's take d by dx of one more multiplication. So which one? Very standard one. E raised to x log x. Okay, very simple one and standard one. E raised to x log x. So that will be equal to e raised to x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of e raised to x. So which is equal to e raised to x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x plus log x, and derivative of e raised to x remains as e raised to x. Okay, तुम्हारा जो list of formulas जो दिया है उसमें देखते रहो. e raised to x into 1 upon x plus log x. Okay, तो तुम्हारा ग्रुप में you can send that photo, जो formulas का photo you can send it, so those who have come late they will be able to check it. Okay, so this is how you get the answer. Then the next one, d by dx of, अभी हम लोग थोड़ा सा हार्ड प्रॉब्लम ले लेंगे. x square minus 7x plus 8 into which one to take? X square plus 3. Okay, so this is also product only. Now here you have a choice. You can multiply this brackets and then use addition subtraction, but we will right now do it like this. First function x square minus 7x plus 8 into derivative of the second, which is x square plus 3, plus the second function x square plus 3 into derivative of the first, which is x square minus 7x plus 8. Okay, so this is equal to x square minus 7x plus 8 into d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 3. Okay, plus x square plus 3 into, now this is addition subtraction, so use addition subtraction, d by dx of x square minus d by dx of 7x. I won't be writing all steps again. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, so this is equal to x square minus 7x plus 8 into 2x plus 0 plus x square plus 3, and again d by dx of x square, which is 2x, minus 7 into d by dx of x, and d by dx of 8, which is a constant, is 0. So this is equal to x square minus 7x plus 8 into 2x plus x square plus 7 or x square plus 3 into 2x minus 7. Okay, because here d by dx of x is 1. Okay, so that's how you solve these problems. The third problem हो गया. Now थोड़े division के problems. Fourth one, d by dx of 5x plus 3 upon 7x plus 2. So this is equal to, so this is your u, this is v. Okay, and the formula is d by dx of u by v is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. Okay. So write the first step, those who can write. So इसका आंसर आ जाएगा v is 7x plus 2. Make sure you write the brackets into d by dx of u, which is 5x plus 3 minus 5x plus 3 into d by dx of 7x plus 2. And the whole thing is divided by v square. So that is 7x plus 2 the whole square. Okay. Now this will become equal to this will become equal to 7x plus 2 into, now this is addition, so use addition. Now only thing is I'll write things little directly. 5 into d by dx of x plus d by dx of 3 minus 5x plus 3 into 7 into d by dx of x plus d by dx of 2 divided by 7x plus 2 the whole square. So this will be equal to, same thing again, 7x plus 2, and this is 5 into 1 plus 0 minus 5x plus 3 into 7 into 1 plus 0 divided by 7x plus 2 the whole square. And so this becomes equal to 7x plus 2 into 5, which is 35x plus 10 minus, this is 7 into 5x plus 3. So 7 5s are 35x plus 21 divided by 7x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, which is equal to, this 35x and 35x will cancel. 10 minus 21 is minus 11 upon 7x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, so what was our question? D by dx of 5x plus 3, d by dx of 5x plus 3 upon 7x plus 2 comes as minus 11 upon 7x plus 2 the whole square. Now obviously everyone will say, ये पेपर में ये कौन करते बैठेगा? तो पेपर इतना छोटा, टाइम इतना कम है, it's 1 mark, who is going to do all these things? And you are right. So इसको solve करने के लिए there is one technique for these problems. Okay, so whenever you have a problem of this type, d by dx of a into f of x plus b upon c into f of x plus d, as long as these two are same, f of x रहना चाहिए. Okay, then in that case what you do is, पहले जो denominator में जो term है उसको square कर दो, c into f of x plus d the whole square, and in the numerator just take the determinant of the coefficients a, b, c, d. That's all. That gives you the answer. Like for over here, what I will do is I'll write the denominator square. So it is 7x plus 2 the whole square, and I'll write determinant 5372. ये लिखा नहीं तो भी चलता, but जिनको मालूम है समझने के लिए, basically you have to just cross multiply 5 into 2 minus 7 into 3, 5 into 2 minus 7 into 3, 10 minus 21 is minus 11 upon 7x plus 2 the whole square. There is your answer in one line. Okay, but अगर ये f of x रहेगा, if this is f of x, you will have to do additional work, and that is into d by dx of f of x. ये additional काम करना पड़ेगा. If you don't do that, it will be wrong. Okay, so that an additional work you'll have to do. So let's take one example that deals with this formula. Okay, let's take one example. एक तो हम लोग ने already देख लिया, हम लोग और एक दो तीन देख लेंगे. So suppose you want to find d by dx of 3 log x plus 7 divided by 4 log x minus 8. तो इसका आंसर ढूंढना है. So what we will do is we'll write 4 log x minus 8 the whole square. And we will cross multiply this. 3 into minus 8, which is minus 24. And 4 into 7, 28. So minus 24 minus 28 makes it minus 52. Okay. Into d by dx of log x. So the final answer will be minus 52 upon 4 log x minus 8 the whole square into 1 by x. That's the answer. Okay. So those of you who are done in your 11th and 12th, you will find this is very, very shortcut. एकदम आराम से answer आ जाता है. Those who didn't do it, it's okay. You're learning the shortcut in the first go only. Okay. तो तुमको आसान है. झंझट नहीं हो पूरा मेथड सीखने का. वो मैंने क्यों बताया कि जस्ट इन केस यू फॉरगेट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, यू नीड टू नो दैट मेथड. इफ यू गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस, d by dx of 3 log x plus 7 e raised to x upon 4 log x plus 2, अगर ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन आता है तो यू विल हैव टू यूज दैट uv मेथड ओनली, u by v. Then you cannot have this shortcut. This is provided in, this is only under the condition it is a into f of x plus b upon c into f of x plus d. यानी कि फंक्शन एक ही बार आता है न्यूमरेटर में एंड डिनोमिनेटर में. देयर इज नो अदर फंक्शन विद b and d, nothing else. It comes only once in the numerator and once in the denominator, and it is the same function. अगर ये दोनों अलग रहेंगे तो you cannot do that. Like for example, if this is log x, ये जो हम लोग ने अभी दिया, suppose it is 3 log x plus 2 upon 7 e raised to x minus 5, then you cannot use this principle. This is valid only if you both sides there was log x, या both sides पे e raised to x है. In that case you can use this very shortcut and it gives you the answer quickly. Okay, so these are some of the basic problems that you have to do. Then we need to do problems of this type. d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 6 raised to 7. When you want to solve a problem like this, okay, तो formula हम लोग जो use करेंगे, it will be d by dx. I told you I'll explain you later on, f of x raised to n, and this is n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into d by dx of f of x. ओके, तो तुमने x रेज टू n का फॉर्मूला लर्न कर लिया. नाउ लर्न दिस आल्सो, n into f of x रेज टू n minus 1 into d by dx. एडिशनल काम हो गया उधर, d by dx into f of x. So when you have to solve this, what will it be? This will be 7 into x square minus 5x plus 6, and 7 minus 1 is 6 into d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 6. ओके, सो ये मैं अभी फॉर्मूला यूज कर लिया. सो दिस विल बिकम इक्वल टू 7 into x square minus 5x plus 6 raised to 6 into d by dx of x square minus 5. So d by dx of x square is 2x minus 5 comes outside. Try and imagine what I'm saying. 5 comes outside into d by dx of x. So that's 5 into 1, and d by dx of 6 is 0. ओके, तो ये तुम्हारा आंसर हो गया. 7 into 2x minus 5 into x square minus 5x plus 6 raised to 6. Okay, so that's the application we are seeing. This is how it is used. Now what we can do is start doing problems from your exercise. Okay, हम लोग थोड़े थोड़े problems तुम्हारे इसमें से शुरू कर सकते हैं. तो सर ने मुझे भेजा था प्रॉब्लम्स, वेयर इज इट गॉन? सूरज सर ने, या सो एक्सरसाइज 8A में we have overall 50 problems to solve. We'll start covering many things. Okay, इसमें और ये भी सब सिखाना पड़ेगा ना, तो जैसा आएगा तब सिखा दूंगा मैं. Okay, the first one they are asking you, okay, is the gradient of a curve. Gradient of a curve का मतलब क्या रहता है? Gradient of curve. Okay, what do you mean by gradient of a curve? तो curve means any geometrical figure. कोई भी सर्कल होगा, एलिप्स होगा, हाइपरबोला, व्हाटएवर फिगर, वो उसको बोलते हैं कर्व. ग्रेडियंट मींस उसका स्लोप. ओके, ग्रेडियंट मींस द स्लोप of the curve at some specified point, say at this point. Okay, the slope of the curve at that point is given by the slope of the tangent to that point. Okay, is the slope of the tangent at that point. तो अगर ये पॉइंट पे तुम tangent ड्रॉ करते हो like this, if you draw a tangent at this point, तो ये जो लाइन का स्लोप रहेगा, that is the slope of the curve. That means that's the gradient of the curve at that point. ठीक है, so gradient of the curve means slope of the tangent is the slope of the curve. Now slope of the tangent या gradient of the curve ये ढूंढने के लिए it's very simple. If your y is equal to f of x is a function, ये जो ग्राफ है, ये ग्राफ है y is equal to f of x का. Okay, this is your x and y axis, x and this is y axis. So this graph is the gradient, the graph is the graph of y equal to f of x. The gradient of this curve is dy by dx. So whenever you take dy by dx, you are actually taking the slope of the tangent to the curve. You are finding the slope of the tangent to the curve, or you are finding the slope of the curve. तो ये पॉइंट्स दिए रहते हैं कि किधर ढूंढना है, या यू कैन फाइंड द जनरल वैल्यू. सो नाउ सी द equation, the question given to you is the first one, exercise 8A. Exercise 8A में the first question given is the gradient of the curve y is equal to 2x raised to 3 minus 3x square minus 12x plus 8 at x equal to 0. They are asking you what is the gradient of the curve. So the gradient of this curve ढूंढना है, तो just find dy by dx. So it will be, again I'm writing in this case, you need not write all these things, 2 into d by dx of x cube minus 3 into d by dx of x square minus 12 into d by dx of x plus d by dx of 8. So the non-math students, you are understanding, those at least 2 people who are answered no, you didn't take maths, are you understanding? Non-maths people, because maths people I assume they will understand, जो लोग ने मैथ्स नहीं लिया था 11th 12th में, समझ रहा है तुमको? Those 2 girls or boys who had answered initially, Tejal and Shraddha. Okay, any other non-math student? I hope you are understanding. So Chris Jonathan, okay, fine. So now where was I? Yeah, so इसका भी डेरिवेटिव ढूंढ लेना है, एंड डेरिवेटिव ढूंढने के बाद x is equal to 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. So this is 2 into 3x square. Now I'm writing things directly. I hope you practice it and get the picture what is happening. So 2 into 3x square, d by dx of x cube will be 3x square. X raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. तो वही मैं ले रहा हूँ. Okay, then minus 3 into d by dx of x square, ये तो फॉर्मूला में दे दिया है 2x, और you can use the formula nx raised to n minus 1. Minus 12 into d by dx of x is 1, and d by dx of constant is 0. Who is this Soham Deshmukh? What time is coming? 12 o'clock. Okay, so this is equal to 2 into 3 is 6. 6x square minus 6x minus 12. Okay, this is dy by dx. But they have asked us dy by dx at x equal to 0. When x is 0, what will that case be? So dy by dx at x equal to 0 कितना रहेगा? 6 into 0 square minus 6 into 0 minus 12, which is minus 12. Right? So that's that. So इसका आंसर minus 12 है, which is option A in this case. तुम्हारे एक्सरसाइज में it's the option A. Okay, simple. There's no headache, nothing. So second problem you can do on your own. It's similar problem. They have asked you the gradient of the curve. They have asked you the gradient of the curve y equal to whatever at x equal to 0 only. So same method से derivative ढूंढ लो and then solve it. And if you don't get, message me. तुमको नहीं आया, बाद में घर में practice कर रहे, you get into doubt with this, you can ask me. We can deal with it. ठीक है, जो कुछ है solution I'll give you. The third one is, so I've given you the numbers, so you can message also. ठीक है, अभी if I get disconnected, don't message. If I get disconnected, call. But later on, message. So now the third problem, the derivative of y is equal to root of x plus 1. Y is equal to root of x plus 1. इसका derivative क्या है? So very simple, I give you this formula. D by dx of root x is how much? 1 by 2 root x. तो तुमको almost same formula use करना है. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of root x plus 1. And that will be 1 upon 2 root x plus 1. But you have to take the derivative of the function which is inside d by dx of x plus 1. ओके, तो इसका इनसाइड पार्ट जो है वो भी लेना पड़ता है. डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स प्लस 1. इट्स लाइक योर इफ यू वांट टू ईट बर्गर, यू सिर्फ पाव खा के नहीं होता है ना काम, ऊपर पाव रहते हैं, अंदर बर्गर है. तो मेन तुम पैसा क्यों दे रहे हो? 50 रुपया पाव के लिए दे रहे हो या बर्गर के लिए दे रहे हो? बर्गर के लिए दे रहे हो ना. सो वो जो बर्गर है वो तुमको खाना है. ओके, दैट इज दैट मेन. मांगते तो पाव फेंक दिया चल जाता है. Main is that burger part. So the same thing over here. Just ये तो outside part था. Root was an outside part. Okay. What is inside is more important. So ये outside part ले लिया 1 by 2 root x plus 1 using this formula. But then you have to consider the derivative that is inside also. So this will become equal to 1 upon 2 root x plus 1 into d by dx of x plus 1. तो ये तो हम लोग रफ में भी लिख सकते हैं. d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1. d by dx of x will be 1 and d by dx of 1 will be 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So the answer is only this much. Okay. Second part में answer सिर्फ 1 ही आता है. So it's into 1. So the answer is 1 by 2 root x plus 1. Which is that option? C. Okay. Third one हो गया. Fourth one. Now fourth one we will do little later. Okay, थोड़ा सा बाद में कर लेंगे. Fourth one मुझे रिमाइंड करना, because उसके लिए और कुछ सिखाना पड़ेगा. तो let's not spend time over there. It will become too haphazard. So हम लोग fourth one कर लेते हैं. Fourth one नहीं, fifth one. Fifth one, you get this problem that should light up your eyes. You see this problem, it should just light up your eyes. Because I just gave you small technique for this, correct? It is of that same function is there, both the places. Okay, both the places, same function. It is in the form a f of x plus b upon c into f of x plus d. So what you do, you take the जो denominator में उसका square लिख लो, x square minus 1 the whole square. And ऊपर तो इसका cross multiply करना है, 1 into minus 1 which is minus 1. Minus इसका coefficient is 1, so 1 into 1, so it's basically determinant 1 1 1 minus 1, which is equal to 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 and 1 into 1 is 1, so it's minus 2. So ये minus 1, okay, into d by dx of x square. So this will become minus 2 upon x square minus 1 into 2x, which is minus 4x upon x square minus 1 the whole square. Okay, that's the answer. Done. सो अभी से तुमको सिलेक्ट करना है कौन सा है. First one minus 4x upon x square minus 1 the whole square. That's the answer. Second one doesn't have minus sign. So it's not the answer. Third one does not have sign. It does not have 4 also. So that's not the answer. And D is none of these is not an option for us. Okay. So yeah, simple. Absolutely simple. Sixth one. Okay. Sixth problem आ गया. And that is y is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. And they have asked you to find dy by dx. Okay. तो no problem, इसको पहले इसको multiply कर लो सबको. So you will have x into, when you multiply these two, you will get x square minus 3x plus 2. I hope you all can multiply that. उतना मैं एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए बिकॉज तुम अभी डेरिवेटिव्स तक आए हैं तो बाकी का रिलेशंस फंक्शन सेट एंड हियर एंड देयर इतना तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके आ ही जाता है इंसान. सो आई एक्सपेक्ट यू नो दिस. सो दिस विल बी एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x. दिस इज y. अभी इसका डेरिवेटिव चाहिए dy by dx. सो इट विल बी हाउ मच. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x क्यूब इज 3x स्क्वायर. Okay. Then minus sign is there. Then derivative of 3x square, that means 3 into d by dx of x square, which is 3 into 2x, which is 6x. So it's minus 6x. Then derivative of 2x, so it's 2 into d by dx of x, which is 2 into 1, which is 2. So this is plus 2. 3x square minus 6x plus 2. That is the answer. And that is the answer A. 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Second one is minus 6x plus 2. That's wrong. Third one is 3x square plus 2. That is also wrong. Okay. Now, I'll give you some time a seventh problem करने के लिए. Okay. I'll give you just maybe 15-20 seconds. See if you can solve the seventh one because it's again that same question, gradient. So I'll write down the question, seventh. The gradient of the curve y, no, we can't do this right now. इसका method है, we'll do it later on. I thought it's y is equal to, इसलिए I was going into it, but it is y minus xy. इसका method थोड़े अलग है. We will see it. Okay, so remind me this problems, fourth and seventh problem. ठीक है, remind me. तुम टिक मार्क करते रहो बुक में ताकि तुमको भी पता रहे. Yeah.
Sir, I have counted his sum.
Yeah, what's the doubt?
Sir, आपने denominator जो कैलकुलस स्क्वायर की लिया था.
That's the method ना. I told you ना. देखो ना इधर ये जिधर वो a f of x plus b तुमको सिखाया. देखो किधर गया वो. Where did that go? ये see this ना. Correct ना. This af of x plus b, cf of x plus d, I told you na, take the square. Take the square of the denominator, ऊपर determinant ले लो and into d by dx of f of x करो. Okay. So I did the same thing. Okay, exactly वही किया. You don't have to learn that as a formula. मैंने वही किया but. Okay, if you just come, let this come down to see that. Okay, see I did the same thing. इसका determinant लिया, जो coefficients है उसका determinant ले लिया. Where is this pointer gone? I can't. It's जरा hang हो गया था. Okay, so see this one. Okay, ये x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 है ना. So we took the determinant 1 1 1 minus 1 divided by जो डिनोमिनेटर में उसका स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 द होल स्क्वायर इनटू द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दैट x स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Rahul, what is the time? So that's how you solve it. Now ये क्या हो रहा है? Okay. So that seventh problem I can't do right now. It's because उसको it's called as implicit functions, तो उसको अलग स्टाइल में सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. Even the eighth one we'll have to wait for that. I'll just do problems which we can do right now. Okay. नाइन्थ वन भी नहीं कर सकते. मैं देख लेता हूँ अभी और कुछ बचा है कि इसमें करने के लिए. नहीं है. अदरवाइज आई गो डायरेक्टली इनटू दैट इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शंस. शायद जाना ही पड़ेगा. We can do one problem, that is 18th problem. 18th problem कर सकते हैं. You are given y is equal to 1 by root x. Okay, very simple question. Y is 1 by root x, and they're asking you then dy by dx is how much? How much is dy by dx? So answer is very simple. Dy by dx will be equal to, you can take this as 1 upon x raised to half d. Correct? D by dx of x raised to half root x. Yeah, you can consider it as d by dx of x raised to minus half. So this will be equal to, तो मैं पहले minus half से जाता हूँ. So it is minus half into x raised to minus half minus 1, which is minus half x raised to minus 3 by 2. Which is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 upon x raised to 3 by 2. Law of indices. Okay. So this is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into x raised to 3 by 2. So now you have to check which one of them gives you minus 1 upon 2x raised to 3 by 2. So if you see the first option, it does give you 2x raised to 3 by 2. Remember this also, x raised to 3 by 2 is always x into root x. तो ये actually x into root x है. तो ये first one देता है हमको 1 by 2x root x, but it does not have minus sign, so it's rejected. Second one has minus sign, it has x raised to 3 by 2, but it does not have 2 over there. 1 upon 2 जो चाहिए नहीं है. So the third one, C, is minus 1 upon 2x root x. That one has that part. So the answer has to be C. Okay. So 18th one, the answer is C. They'll say, why am I jumping here and there? Because ये जो बाकी के जो problems है उनको तुमको अलग methods सीखना है. तो we'll have to wait for that time. So I'm doing the problems जो हम लोग अभी कर सकते हैं. Okay. So let's come to the next problem. 20th, maybe later on, where the ordinate is. Okay, we can do the 20th one. 20th one हम लोग कर सकते हैं. The slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to root of 4 minus x square. Okay, तो थोड़ा सा इधर उधर जाएगा, but we all see what they do is that derivatives is a chapter. Okay, it's an entire chapter. You do these things as basics, then you get the implicit functions and then parametric equations and all those things keep happening, logarithmic differentiation and so on, and then the chapter finishes. But when they give in the exercise, they've given it all mixed up. So that's why I have to go जो मेरे problems जो अभी सीखा है उसके हिसाब से. ठीक है. So the 20th problem is the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to root of 4 minus x square at the point where the ordinate and the abscissa are equal. That is, the x coordinate and the y coordinate are equal. Y is equal to x. Okay. So in that case, you have to find. So when they say ordinate, it is y coordinate, and when they say abscissa, it's the x coordinate. Okay, so y is equal to, but let us find the slope of the tangent. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of root of 4 minus x square. And right now I explained you, when you get root x, what you do, d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. तो हमको वही करना है, 1 by 2 root 4 minus x square. And then I explained you कि जो उसके अंदर रहता है बर्गर, उसको भी डेरिवेटिव लेना पड़ता है. So it's into d by dx of 4 minus x square. Okay, so that will be equal to 1 by 2 into root of 4 minus x square Oh God, it got hanged. Just 1 minute. One note hang हो गया. Just 1 minute. Okay. Into d by dx of 4 minus x square. So it is d by dx of 4 minus d by dx of x square. Okay. Which is equal to 1 by 2 root 4 minus x square into this is 0 minus 2x. So it is equal to minus 2x upon 2 into root of 4 minus x square. Okay. So 2 and 2 cancels. And so this is minus x upon root of 4 minus x square. So ये dy by dx आ गया. Okay, this is where dy by dx has come this, which is minus x upon root of 4 minus x square. But they have asked us to find dy by dx at the point where x is equal to y. The y coordinate is equal to the abscissa. That's where they've asked us to find. और हमको इक्वेशन दिया था y is equal to root of 4 minus x square. तो अगर y is equal to x होने वाला है तो मैं इधर y के जगह पे x ही लिख दूंगा. So x is equal to root of 4 minus x square. Now I'll square this. So I'll get x square is equal to 4 minus x square. Okay. And if I get x square is equal to 4 minus x square, then I'll get 2x square is equal to 4. So for some people, this might be little fast, but we have to do that. क्योंकि अगर हमको derivatives खत्म करना है, तो थोड़ा basics जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. Then the later problems we can solve आराम से. So x square will be equal to 2. That means x is equal to plus minus root 2. So I'll hold on over here because I understand it will take you time to realize what has happened. Okay. Try and figure out why I took y is equal to x. I have taken y is equal to x. ये y को मैंने replace किया x के साथ because the reason is they said find the slope of the tangent at the point where the ordinate is equal to abscissa. Ordinate is y coordinate and x is the abscissa. So you have to put them together. So they both are equal. Okay. I should j. Okay. So they have to be together. So now if they are going to be together or they are going to be same, together means they are going to be same. So y के जगह पे मैंने x लिख दिया. तो अभी x के मुझे दो वैल्यूज मिल गए. x is equal to plus or minus root 2. And I have got dy by dx is equal to this value. So now I'll substitute the value dy by dx के इधर x is equal to root 2 and again I'll put x is equal to minus root 2. So when x is root 2, the answer will become minus root 2 divided by root of 4 minus x square, which is equal to 2 only. Now I can do one more easier method, and rather than doing all these things, it's nothing wrong with what I'm doing. It's absolutely fine. I can do an easier option. I'll cancel this method and I'll use this 4 minus x square is equal to x square. Okay. I'll use an easier option. What I was doing is absolutely correct. It's nothing wrong with what I was doing, but there is a shortcut I realized. While I was writing, I realized there is a shortcut available. तो इसको शॉर्टकट ऐसा है कि ये 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर जो है वो एक्स स्क्वायर है ना, तो मैं इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दूंगा इधर. 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज एक्स स्क्वायर ओनली. सो दिस इज माइनस एक्स अपॉन रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. And root of x square is going to be either plus x or minus x. That means ये x and x तो cancel होने ही वाला है. So this answer is going to be either plus 1 or minus 1. यानी कि जो dy by dx है, it's either going to be plus 1 or it's going to be minus 1. So there is no calculations involved now. And so if that's the case, I have to see which one of these answers is correct. The slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to 4 at where the ordinate and the abscissa are equal is minus 1 is given as a separate answer, 1 is given as a separate answer, 0 is given as a separate, and d. Actually any one of them is okay. Minus 1 and plus 1. A as well as B both are correct in this case. You'll have to check what your book answers. Can you tell me what's the answer given? 20th ka anyone has the book and answers with you? Can I know what the answer has been given? Both are correct actually. I believe it should be plus one, but I'm just checking. Can someone tell me what's the answer?
Sir,
A is given minus one, that means. Okay. Okay. So I'll tell you why. Because then they are considering root x square as only x. Root of x square is being considered x. So you get minus x upon x. This cancels, that's minus 1. Okay. So they're using that principle. Okay. Actually both were okay, but okay. So it's only minus 1. So you have to remember that when you have to take root x square, you have to take it as x alone. Okay. The next one, this problem. Okay, let's do that. 21st. 21st problem. The slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus x. Y is equal to x square minus x at the point where the line y is equal to 2. I hope it's only y is equal to 2. Cuts the curve in the first quadrant is. Okay, now see this curve ना, ये जो y is equal to x square minus x है, this curve is more or less, इसका अगर तुम ग्राफ निकालोगे तो it will be more or less like this. Okay, not exactly like this, but somewhere around would be like this. Maybe a point either नहीं रहेगा, maybe it is here, somewhere over here. Okay, but in the similar fashion it will be. Okay, now ये इसका ग्राफ है. Okay, just imagine ये इसका ग्राफ है x square minus x, and then you're given this line y is equal to 2. So the line y is equal to 2 is a line like this. Okay, it is a line like this. This is the line y is equal to 2. Now it's obvious that this line intersects this graph in 2 points. One is over here, one is over here. Okay, ये दो जगह पे इसको कट करता है. Okay, so if you see this point, ये जो first quadrant में जो point रहेगा, what will this point be if when y is equal to 2, it's y is equal to 2 only, na? Y is equal to 2, that's okay. So when y is equal to 2, okay, you will have 2 is equal to x square minus x. In other words, x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now if you solve this, you'll get x minus 2 into x plus 1 is 0. This is quadratic equation. I have factorized it directly. I didn't specify that the factors are minus 2x and plus x and all. I took it directly, x minus 2 into x plus 1. I hope you are able to factorize all these things. तो तुम अगर इसको factorize कर सकते हो तो तुमको आ जाएगा ये. So these are the two values, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. These are the two values you get of x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. तो ये जो point है, ये x ये इधर जब तुम लोगे, so this is the point 2, and when you take it on this side, it is x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so these are the 2 points where it intersects this line y is equal to 2. तो अभी ये जो point है, this point P, this is the point Q. Point P is point x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 2 only. Okay, here the coordinate Q, x coordinate is minus 1 and the y coordinate is 2 because it's the line y is equal to 2. Now they are asking us find the slope of the tangent to this curve y is equal to x square minus x at the point where the line y is equal to 2 cuts this curve y equal to x square minus x in the first quadrant. तो ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट मीन्स एट द पॉइंट P. तो इधर जो टेंजेंट आएगा, ये जो टेंजेंट रहेगा, इसका स्लोप क्या है? दैट्स व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग अस. तो वी नो दिस मच, स्लोप ऑफ tangent is given by dy by dx. So it's dy by dx which is equal to d by dx of x square minus x. Okay, it's d by dx of x square minus x which is 2x minus 1. ये स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट है. ओके, बट हमको किधर भी ढूंढना है क्या स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट? नो, वी हैव टू फाइंड एट दैट पॉइंट वेयर इट कट्स द curve in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, x is equal to 2 and y is also equal to 2. So we want to find dy by dx when x is equal to 2, and that answer will be 2 into 2 minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, which is 3. Okay, तो ये थोड़ा hard problem है, but it's there. I'm not taking on my own. ओके, इट्स ऐसे नहीं कि मैं खुद के मर्जी से एक वस्तु ले रहा हूँ. ये अभी तुम्हारा सीए फाउंडेशन के बुक में ही प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं ले रहा हूँ, बट इट विल बी लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर पीपल दोज हु फाइंड ज्योमेट्री एंड देन कैलकुलस एक साथ सब कुछ आ गया तो उनको थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट जा सकता है तुमको, बट अभी जो है वो तो करना पड़ेगा. I cannot do anything. This is the method to solve it. Actually, if you see this for science students, this is a very easy problem because इसमें कुछ करना ही नहीं था. एक्चुअली फैक्टराइज करना था दैट इक्वेशन y इज इक्वल टू 2 डालना है, तुमको x के दो वैल्यूज मिल जाते हैं, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट के पॉइंट्स को रिजेक्ट कर देना है, एक ही पॉइंट है, डेरिवेटिव लेने को तो कुछ लगेगा नहीं, ज्यादा टाइम तो लगता नहीं, जस्ट 2x minus 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट x is equal to 2, your job is done. So as such the answer question was easy, but some people might find it difficult. Okay, so the 21st day इसका आंसर 3a which is B. Okay, 22 again we can't do it because उसका एक मेथड है, मैं तुमको सिखा देता हूँ. Okay, let's do this problem. 23, y is equal to e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x. Then dy by dx is equal to what? So हमको चेक करना है. तो इसको we have certain shortcuts to do, we will try, लेकिन वो आंसर इसके साथ मैच होना चाहिए. ओके, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, what we will do is if we divide this equation by e raised to 2x, I'll get e raised to x minus 1, e raised to x minus 1. Okay, I'll give you an idea. Okay, हम इससे शायद पूरा आंसर नहीं आएगा, but I'll tell you one idea. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये e raised to 2x दोनों जगह पे ना, इसको हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे, e raised to 2x, both numerator and denominator. So you'll get e raised to 3x upon e raised to 2x. This is mental calculation actually. Okay, ये mental calculation है, minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x. I'm actually doing this mentally, but तुम्हारे लिए मैं लिख रहा हूँ ये, e raised to 3x upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x. So this answer will become e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 1. It's e raised to 3x 2x ही है ना, minus 2x नहीं है ना किधर, that's right. Okay, तो ये आ गया. Now see, this one is like that previous problem, हम लोग इसको ट्राई कर सकते हैं, आंसर क्या आएगा. इसका डिटर्मिनेंट रहेगा 1 minus 1 1 and 1, and नीचे आ जाएगा e raised to x plus 1 the whole square. So this becomes 1. Okay, 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1. So that is equal to 1 plus 1, which is 2 upon e raised to x plus 1 the whole square. This is the answer. Now that's not available anywhere over here. Okay, वो आंसर इधर अवेलेबल नहीं है. There is a chance that this is none of these. Okay, but I will also check, is there 2 available in any of these equations, and there is only one a जिसके साथ 2 है. तो अगर मुझे फेक मारना है तो मैं I might just use a because उधर 2 है, just like I have 2 over here, there is a 2 available over there, तो मुझे फेक मारना है तो I will at least go with this one. बट अभी इसको हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी विल हैव टू टेक इट एज u अपॉन v एंड सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज दिस आंसर वाज डन, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग विद दिस आंसर. वी विल हैव टू चेक दिस ऑल ओवर बाय u by v मेथड. ओके,
Sir, is the answer none of these?
none of these, na? Okay, but we'll have to check, we'll have to be sure little bit about that a के लिए हमको जरा चेक करना पड़ेगा. बट a का आंसर वो आ नहीं सकता है. ओके, e रेज टू 3x प्लस 2x, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में स्क्वायर आ ही जाएगा. e रेज टू 3x प्लस e रेज टू 2x, तो स्क्वायर आना ही चाहिए. जो इनके किसी का आंसर में सिर्फ एक जन के साथ आ रहा है, दैट इज b. okay, and the C तो बराबर है नहीं है आंसर, that's for sure. B could have been an option, so we just check with B, that's all. but इधर हमको पूरा लिंक मिल गया था कि this will be 2 upon e raised to x plus 1, so it's very unlikely any of these answers come over here. okay, so you'll have to check it with that uv. तो ये e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x into d by dx of e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x. ये सिर्फ फर्स्ट पार्ट करते ही तुमको समझ में आएगा, सेकंड पार्ट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ये e raised to 3x है, इसका डेरिवेटिव तुम्हारा आ जाएगा e raised to 3x. you remember d by dx of e raised to x is how much? it is e raised to x only. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव कितना रहेगा? d by dx of e raised to 3x, it will be e raised to 3x only into d by dx of 3x. okay, so that will be e raised to 3x into 3. तो ये 3 e raised to 3x देगा तुमको. नेक्स्ट वन देगा 2 into e raised to 2x. ये तुमको आंसर ऐसे आने वाला है. एंड देन इवन इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई विद e raised to 3x 2x, ये तो 3 रहने वाला है. सो दैट मीन्स इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू कम 5 e raised to 5x. ये तो आंसर नहीं आने वाला जो फर्स्ट आंसर दिया है, 2 into e raised to 5x. that answer is not going to come. you are not going to get 1 upon, either 1 आएगा ही नहीं, so that is also not possible. and c also is not possible because उसको square ही नहीं है उधर. so you can be definitely sure that the answer is none of these. I anyways had an idea right from here that it's none of these. okay, Urvi Desai, what's the time you're coming? The recording is going to your sir, so he will see it. And then he'll say, yeah, this Urvi has come after 1.5 hours. Now, so that's done. Then 24th, again, we will have to hold it because it's logarithmic differentiation. उसको थोड़ा रोकना पड़ेगा. 25th, we'll have to wait. Parametric है, ये 26 नहीं कर सकते. 27th, we can do that. x square log x. Okay. 27th we can do. 27th d by dx of x square log x. This we can do, and that is first function into derivative of the second, which is log x plus log x into derivative of the second. okay, which is equal to x square into 1 by x plus log x into 2x. so I'm writing directly. x x cancel हो गया, आंसर इज x plus 2x log x. तो अभी सिर्फ देखना है किसने ऐसा लिखा है आंसर, x into 2 plus log x. you can see b has been written like that. you take x common, it becomes 1 plus 2 log x, and that's the answer is b. okay, so that's the 28 problem. So 28 is the derivative of 3 minus 5x upon 3 plus 5x. तो ये तो हमारा टेरिटरी वाला प्रॉब्लम आ गया. इसको हम लोग सिर्फ थोड़ा उल्टा लिख लेंगे, minus 5x plus 3 upon 5x plus 3. okay, we'll just write it in our form. या लिखना है या नहीं लिखना है इसे, बाद में साइन चेंज कर देंगे हम इसका. okay, what we will do is we'll take minus sign out. so when we take this minus sign out, you'll get 5x minus 3 upon 5x plus 3. तो ये minus sign को बाहर रहने दो. okay, and then we will use that a into f of x plus b, c f of x plus d वो यूज करेंगे। तो माइनस साइन तो रहने वाला है एंड डिटर्मिनेंट, सो इट्स 5 minus 3 5 3, okay, divided by 5x plus 3 the whole square into d by dx of the function that is there which is x। तो ये आंसर आएगा माइनस डिटर्मिनेंट कितना आएगा 15, ओके 15 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 15, okay, divided by 5x plus 3 the whole square into d by dx of x is 1, and so that becomes 15 plus 15 which is 30, so minus 30 upon 5x plus 3 the whole square, that should be the answer। अभी सिर्फ ढूंढना है किधर है। फर्स्ट वन सेज 30, सो वो तो नहीं होने वाला है। सेकेंड वन सेज 1 अपॉन 3, तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता है, 1 नहीं आ रहा है। minus 30 upon 3 plus 5x the whole square, that's C, and that answer is right, okay, it should be the one, so we'll tick mark C। D is not an option, none of these तो हम लोग ले नहीं रहे, ठीक है, so that is done। 29th problem, 29th problem, y is equal to root of 2x plus 3 raised to 2x। Am I going too fast? I'm not asking a lot, but I'm sure some people must have already left. So am I going too fast for some people? Bhavesh Hiremat. Yes, anyone? I'm going too fast. You're not able to understand. ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है? No sir, no sir. Okay, no, fine. ठीक है. That's fine. That's fine. ओके, बिकॉज समझ में नहीं आता है ना मुझे भी। तुम्हारा थोड़ा एग्जाम्स कब है तुम्हारा? when are your exams? Little slow, 13 15 17 19 December, okay, right, so still you have 1 month, okay, you can practice a lot then। So y is equal to root 2x plus 3 raised to 2x, ये क्वेश्चन दिया है। This is the 29th question and you have to find dy by dx, so simple, dy by dx इसका ढूंढना है। अभी हम लोग पहले आंसर कैसे दिए है ना, हम लोग we will see how the answers are given। क्यों देखना है मुझे, ये root 2x वो लोग ने कैसे लिखा है वो देखना है कि root 2x साथ में लिखा है या 2 बाहर लिया है। तो फर्स्ट इसमें साथ में लिखा है, सेकंड इसमें भी साथ में लिखा है, थर्ड इसमें लिखा ही नहीं है, तो लेट्स गो विद दिस वन। तो जो लिखा है उसके साथ जाएंगे। सो दिस विल बी dy by dx ऑफ root 2x will be 1 upon what is the derivative of root x? d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x, तो हम लोग लिख लेंगे 1 by 2 root 2x into derivative of the function that is inside burger, d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3 raised to 2x, okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 into root of 2x into d by dx of 2x ना। अभी तो हमको इतना तो आता ही है, इतना करने के बाद कि ये 2 आएगा आंसर, बिकॉज इट विल बी 2 into d by dx of x which is 2 into 1 which is 2, ठीक है। सो ये तो इतना आ जाएगा प्लस दिस इज d by dx of a raised to f of x and that is a raised to f of x log a into d by dx of f of x, okay, तो हम लोग इसको लिखेंगे 3 raised to 2x log 3 into d by dx of 2x, okay, तो ये फॉर्मूला अभी लर्न कर लो, तभी मैंने बोला जरूरी नहीं है that till that time I was giving you this formula d by dx of a raised to x is a raised to x log a, but अगर x के जगह पे कुछ ऐसा आ जाए 2x 3x x square 7x log x कुछ भी अलग आ जाए x के जगह पे then consider it like a raised to f of x, तो फॉर्मूला ऑलमोस्ट वही रहता है a raised to f of x log a raised to x log a, but now multiplied by d by dx of f of x which is called as a chain rule over there, ठीक है। So this will become, तो इसका आंसर भी आ गया, इसका आंसर कितना आ गया, ये 2 and 2 चले गया, so it's 1 by root of 2x plus 3 raised to 2x into log 3 and d by dx of 2x is 2. तो अभी हमको चेक करना है which guy looks like this person. ओके इसके जैसे कौन दिख रहा है? तो इफ यू सी ए जरा आंसर लग रहा है करेक्ट ना. इट्स 1/√2x है, इधर भी है. देन 2 इज देयर, then 3 raised to 2x is there, it's there. Log 3 is there, log 3 is there. So it's correct. Okay, so that means the answer is A. 1/√2x plus 2 into 3 raised to 2x log 3 to the base e. हम लोग ने बेस लिखा नहीं, उसका मतलब ही e है. Okay. Now the derivative of log of. So let's do this also. This comes little bit in logarithmic differentiation, but we can do it here itself. अभी भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So 30th problem, log of e raised to x into x minus 2 upon x plus 2 raised to 3/4 इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. So this will be, इसका डेरिवेटिव बाद में निकालना. सबसे पहले चीज इसको क्या करना है, what you have to do with this one is you use logarithmic laws. तो logarithms के कुछ laws होते हैं. log of m into n जो प्रोडक्ट होता है, it is taken as log m plus log n. log of m by n is considered as log m minus log n. It's like the law of indices. Multiplication है तो addition, division है तो subtraction. a raised to mn is a raised to m plus a raised to n and so on. Then log of a raised to m is taken as m log a. Okay, and और एक है log a raised to m to the base b raised to n is m by n log a to the base b. Okay, ये इसके चार formulas रहते हैं, इसको हमको use करना है. तो this if you can see is the product. So product will turn into addition. So this will be equal to log e raised to x plus log x minus 2 upon x plus 2 the whole thing raised to 3/4, which is equal to, now I'll use this one, log a raised to m. So it will be x log e plus 3/4 log of x minus 2 upon x plus 2. Okay, which is equal to x into log e is 1. Okay, this is a property of that part. Log e is 1. जैसे तुम्हारा log 10 तुम लोग लेते रहेंगे, log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Similarly, log e to the base e is 1. So this is x into 1 plus 3/4, and now I'll use division. Log m by n. So it's log of x minus 2 minus log of x plus 2. ओके, तो अभी इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है. ये हमारा y है, इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है dy by dx. See, you're doing competitive exam, so you don't need to write all steps. I hope you recognize that. मैं इतना steps लिख रहा हूँ, ये सिर्फ तुमको समझाने के लिए, but ये steps लिखने नहीं जरूरी. So dy by dx of x will be 1 plus 3/4 बाहर आएगा डेरिवेटिव से, and you will have d by dx of log of x minus 2 minus d by dx of log x plus 2. Okay, actually you can do it directly also. It's 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x plus 2. But हम लोग सीख रहे हैं तो इसलिए थोड़े कुछ स्टेप्स लिख रहे हैं हम लोग. Okay, otherwise these steps also are not necessary to be written. ये जैसे देखते हैं ना तुम, log e raised to x plus this, so उधर ही कैलकुलेट करना है. This log e raised to x, so x log e 1 x plus, and d by this will be 3/4 and log of this, so log of this minus this. ये immediate तुमको आना चाहिए, वो प्रैक्टिस से आ जाता है. Okay, it doesn't come without that. So नीचे चलेगा. Right. So 1 plus, this is, okay, I think I disconnected. Have I disconnected? No. Is any one of you calling? No. So that means this call is not to be picked up. Because if I pick up that call, I'll actually get disconnected. I'm there na? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Right. So 1 plus 3 by 4 and now d by dx of log x minus 2. So I told you this formula d by dx of log x. अगर इसका कुछ बेस नहीं है कुछ नहीं है तो इट्स 1 by x only. तो इसका भी आंसर 1 by x minus 2 आएगा into d by dx of जो इसका अंदर बर्गर है उसको भी खाना पड़ेगा x minus 2 minus 1 upon x plus 2 into d by dx of x plus 2. ओके इसका रीजन ये ले लिया मैंने. ठीक है इसका रीजन तुम ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हो d by dx of log f of x is 1 upon f of x into d by dx of f of x. ठीक है सो ये हो गया अभी 1 plus 3 by 4 into 1 upon x minus 2. Now this much you should be able to do orally. ये d by dx of x 1 आएगा, d by dx of 2 0 आएगा. So 1 minus 0 1 ही आता है. So there is no change over there. Minus 1 upon x plus 2 and इसका भी 1 plus 0 आ जाएगा. So no change. Okay. Now we will see how the answers are given. हमको आखिर में हमको जो answers दिए हैं वो टिक मार्क करना है. So we will see how the answers are given. They are given as x square. First one नीचे दिया है x square plus 4. Now see if you have that idea you will recognize ये जब multiply करोगे ये दोनों को तो denominator में x square minus 4 आएगा. This is a minus b, a plus b. तो the first answer is obviously not there. x square plus 4 denominator वो आ ही नहीं सकता है आंसर. b आ सकता है, c आ सकता है, d तो अगर b और c नहीं है तो आएगा. So we will now solve this. तो ये आ जाएगा x plus 2 minus x plus 2 divided by x square minus 4 and here you have is 3 by 4. तो ये x and x cancel हो जाएगा. 2 plus 2 4 हो जाएगा. That 4 will cancel with this 4. So you will be left with is 3 upon x square minus 4 and 1 on this side. Okay. So now when you take this over here you will get x square minus 4 plus 3 divided by x square minus 4. So that will become x square minus 1 upon x square minus 4. So that should be the answer. X square minus 1 upon x square minus 4. That is B. So the answer is B. Okay, that's the answer over here. Then 31st. So see, I have not taught you half of the things. लेकिन हम लोग ने फिर भी इतने प्रॉब्लम्स कर लिए जो स्टार्टिंग में जो एक किया उसके ऊपर ही मैं सब कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स कर रहा हूँ. 31 जस्ट द बेसिक्स आई डिड उसके ऊपर ही ये 30 ऑलमोस्ट इतने प्रॉब्लम्स हो गए. फिर भी बीच में के रह गए. दैट वी विल डू फ्रॉम दैट नेक्स्ट वी आर मीटिंग एट व्हाट टाइम 4 ना 4 to 6 तो वो टाइम में कर लेंगे. ओके तो फिर भी अभी और थोड़े हो जाएंगे. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to 3x square minus 6x plus 2. So that's very easy. I already told you derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. तो इसका भी आंसर आएगा e raised to 3x square minus 6x plus 2. But इधर ये बर्गर हमारा है. Okay, it's e raised to f of x है उधर. x नहीं है. x के जगह पे f of x आ गया. So वो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f of x लेना पड़ेगा. d by dx of 3x square minus 6x plus 2 and so this will be equal to e raised to 3x square minus 6x plus 2 into d by dx of 3x square. अभी ये orally try करना शुरू करो. See, I can write all that steps. I have that much time that we can write it step by step and all, but I want you all to start doing it little bit orally. तो d by dx of 3x square कितना आएगा? 3 into d by dx of x square. And d by dx of x square is 2x. So it's 3 into 2x which is 6x. Okay. d by dx of 6x कितना आएगा? 6 into d by dx of x. d by dx of x is 1. So 6 into 1 is 6. So it's minus 6. And derivative of a constant is 0. तो ये आ गया तुम्हारा आंसर. 6x minus 6 into e raised to 3x square minus 6x plus 2। अभी ये आंसर किसने दिया है हमको देखना है। अभी ये आंसर कैसे लिख सकते हैं लोग, 6 into x minus 1, ये आंसर ऐसा आ सकता है। सो लेट्स चेक वेयर इज दिस गॉन। ये क्या किया लोगों ने, इसका आंसर हाँ सी, दैट्स द ओनली आंसर। ये बाकी ए एंड बी हैव नो कनेक्शन ओनली विद इट। ओके, ए एंड बी का कुछ कनेक्शन ही नहीं है। 30 इंटू 1 माइनस 5x रेस टू 5, बी इंटू 1 माइनस 5x रेस टू 5, कुछ कनेक्शन ही नहीं है। ये बराबर है सी, 6 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1 ई रेस टू 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 2। सो दैट इज डन। डी नन ऑफ दिस है तो उसको कुछ देखना नहीं है। ओके, सो दैट्स डन। 32nd problem। Okay, 32nd problem is y is equal to e raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to x minus 1, then what is dy by dx। ये तो हमारा डोमेन वाला आंसर है। दिस विल बी, इसका स्क्वायर कर लो, e raised to x minus 1 the whole square, और इसका डिटर्मिनेंट 1 1 1 minus 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into 1 is 1, so minus 2। सो इधर लिख लो माइनस 2 इंटू, ये x नहीं है इधर, ये फंक्शन है तुम्हारा, सो इट्स d by dx of e raised to x, and d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x, so the final answer will be, ये माइनस 2 है ना, सो इट्स माइनस 2 e raised to x upon e raised to x minus 1 the whole square। आ गया आंसर। वैसे ढूंढना है तुमको कौन सा आंसर है इसमें से। So minus 2 e raised to x upon e raised to x minus 1 the whole square, first only, A is the answer, B में माइनस साइन नहीं है, C में e raised to x नहीं है। ओके, तो देखो ये तुम अगर ये d by dx of e raised to x लिखना भूल गए तो तुम्हारा आंसर C आ जाता था, तुमको लगता था सही है बट वो गलत हो जाता था। सो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल कि ये भी लेना है, d by dx of e raised to x। ओके, सो दैट इज डन विद द 32nd problem। Okay, I'll do more one problem, then we'll do take a break and we will see you at what time, 4 o'clock। Okay, because इसमें 4-5 मिनट जा सकता है ये प्रॉब्लम में। a plus x upon 1 plus x, ये लोगरिथमिक लग रहा है ये, a plus x and 1 plus x, a plus 1 plus 2x, the value of f dash 0 पूछा है, तो इसको log से किया तो ज्यादा इजी जाएगा। So let's do it later on, this not possible right now। Okay, 33rd 34th is parametric equations बाद में, 35th we can do now, 35th we can certainly do now। ये क्या हो गया इसको, हाँ 35th प्रॉब्लम। जो बच्चे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है हम लोग फोर्थ को 4 बजे हम लोग कर लेंगे। we will be doing that problems, okay, because I have to teach you parametric equations, implicit functions, so उसके जरा एक 4-5 एग्जाम्पल लेके, पैरामेट्रिक के 4-5 एग्जाम्पल लेके, देन वी विल कम टू योर प्रॉब्लम्स जो इधर बचे, एंड देन आई विल गिव यू शॉर्टकट आल्सो टू सॉल्व इट। ठीक है, सो लेट्स डू दिस 35th वन ना, आई सेड 35th प्रॉब्लम, सो दैट कुड बी द लास्ट प्रॉब्लम फॉर नाउ। f of x is given to you to be root x plus 1 by root x the whole square। they have asked you f dash 2, f dash 2, ये जो डैश है इसका मतलब होता है डेरिवेटिव। ओके, d by dx of f of x is written as f dash x, so it means derivative, so you have to find derivative and you have to substitute x is equal to 2 after you have taken the derivative। तो ये f of x है, इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है तो हम लोग इसको स्क्वायर कर देंगे, सिंपल है। सो इट इज a plus b the whole square, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab। तो हम लोग ले लेंगे, दिस विल बी रूट x the whole square plus 1 by root x the whole square plus 2 root x into 1 by root x। तो ये रूट x कैंसिल हो जाएगा। ओके, And what you will get over here is root x the whole square is x, 1 by root x the whole square is 1 by x, and this is plus 2. ये तुम्हारा f of x है. Okay, अभी इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है हमको. So we will take the derivative of f of x. So ये f dash x है, it will be d by dx of x is 1. And I forgot to give you this formula perhaps. D by dx of 1 upon x is minus 1 by x square. So ये include कर दो. Okay, include this in that formula. It's minus 1 by x square. And d by dx of constant is 0. So तुम्हारा आंसर आ रहा है 1 minus 1 by x square. Now they have asked you is f dash 2 कितना है? So f dash 2 will be 1 minus 1 by 2 square, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 4 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. अभी हमारा काम है सिर्फ एक ही चीज 3 by 4 ढूंढना है, पहले ही है 3 by 4, तो वो भी काम आसान हो गया, वो ढूंढना भी नहीं पड़ा कि और कुछ है क्या. तो 3 by 4 and the answer is done. Okay, so this answer is also done, 35th one. So the rest of the problems we will do later on. Okay, हम लोग ये वापस 50 तक जाएंगे हम लोग ये टाइप के problems. Then I'll come to parametric equation, implicit equations, logarithmic differentiations, and then we will do the remaining problems. Is that fine? Is everyone okay with it? Because I have a class little later also. So मैं दो क्लास के बीच में तुम्हारा एक ले रहा हूँ, फिर एक क्लास हो जाएगा, then again at 4 o'clock. Okay. So I hope to see all of you at 4 o'clock again. Have you all understood, everyone? Yes. Okay. Vaishnavi has understood. Fine. Atharv has understood. Okay. Some people are understanding. Kushi, Shruti, Divya. Okay. Shraddha, Shobit, Aditi, Kush, Smanan. Okay, that's fine. That's good. So I should ask, I should have asked, has anyone not understood? Then it would have been okay. Okay, so I'll see you at 4 o'clock. Till then, bye bye. Yeah.